Okay, I'm back. Great, thanks. You really helped me. Sorry it took so long. What's the matter? Worried something might happen? Really? Like what, the apocalypse? You've got to have an education to run this machine. Let's go.